I'm on my way to Kern River. It's 6:20 in the morning, been driving since 4. Meeting up with the homies out there. We're camping for the night, so that should be fun. We're gonna do some light fishing. Hopefully hook up on some trout, that would be dope. The homie Kern rock.
Sé que es tarde ya para pedir perdón. Sé que es tarde ya y lo siento, termina nuestro amor. Si ya nada funciona contigo y el intento no va más allá, no me pidas, dale tiempo al tiempo, no puedo esperar. Si la culpa fue tuya, fue mía, y el saberlo ya no servirá. No me pidas que sea tu amigo.
Se acabó la cuarentena, el cuerpo lo sabe y la calle está llena.
Se acabó la cuarentena, el cuerpo lo pide, la calle está llena.
Por eso mi cuerpo pide calla hasta mañana, calla hasta mañana, calla hasta mañana, calle, calle, calla hasta mañana, calla hasta mañana, calla hasta mañana, calle, 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 hasta mañana, calle, 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 hasta mañana, calle. El cuerpo lo pide porque duré mucho trancado en mi casa. Hoy ya te empeño pa' comprar bebida y pa' amanecer por ahí con una mala. Si tú tenés eso, caíme atrás que el after party allá en Punta Cana con pile de popi. Hasta mañana bailando pilita con la mente mala. Y es que calla hasta mañana, calla hasta mañana, calla hasta mañana, calle, calle, calla hasta mañana, calla hasta mañana, calla hasta mañana, calle, calla.
Tall and she grew up right with them Indiana boys on an Indiana night. Well, she moved down here at the age of 18. She blew the boys away, it was more than they'd seen. I was introduced and we both started grooving. She said, I dig you, baby, but I got to keep moving on.
Last dance with Mary Jane, one more time to kill the pain. I feel summer creeping in and I'm tired of this town again.
Living, man, living. We're gonna provide a catch and cook for you guys today. This is day 2.
Answer the phone when the real nigga call. Grinding, nigga in here shining. Early in the morning, check the rollie with the diamonds. Yeah, grind it, grind it, grind it, grind it, grind it. Damn, I got good timing. Yo niggas is falling off and my niggas is climbing. Run it, other people money. Tell them don't leave, girl, the real niggas is coming. Coming, selling like an onion. I fuck with Casey Veggies, nigga, that's my little youngin'. Bumping, on my way to function. Pull up in the front, damn, this shit look like it's jumping. Jumping, this my introduction. Mom calls me down, girl, I smash it like a pumpkin. Drunken, girl, you really frontin'. If it's not with you, bet I be leaving here with something. Quoted, she try and get promoted. Took me to the bathroom and you ain't even noticed.
A few moments later.
Andas valiendo verga.
Moving forward, using all my breath. Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always mesh and lace. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Dream of better
85 boys.
kind